how to fix temporarily blocked access in GCash 2026. So if you want to fix temporary blocked access in GCash in 2026, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps, and here you need to search for GCash. After searching for your GCash, you'll find the application. Just simply scroll and then just tap on the application. Once done, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right. Now tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once done, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your Play Store, go with search, and here you need to search for GCash. And if you have any updates on your GCash, just simply go and update it. And after updating, the problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply go and uninstall the application and then again reinstall it from your Play Store or your App Store and try to log into your account, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.